Hello and welcome to this edition of Ask Andy. In this video we're going to look at how we can update our profile in Contribute Cloud. The reason we want to do that is we can change our password, we can change our avatar, and it's really easy to do. So I'm going to log into my account, and from the dashboard I'm going to hit the burger menu, and then I'm going to hit the avatar or the placeholder that is showing on that menu, and this then takes me to my profile page. Starting on the left hand side, we can change the avatar. If you select the option, you can go to your computer, you can then pick an image that you wish to use for your profile picture. You can change the name, you can change your username and email, and down the bottom here you can actually change your password by entering your old password, typing in a new one and clicking on the update profile. Now remember, you will need to log back into your account once that happens. Down the bottom we've also got a language selection, so you can actually change the software into Spanish or Portuguese, and we will be adding additional languages too. And if we move over to the right hand side here, we kind of have a summary of our account. So we've got our name, we've got the email, username, we've got our password, and we've got the fact that we're using a licensed account. And if you don't have a licensed account yet, enter that serial number as we've seen in a previous video, and you can then activate your account. Now, the final option in your profile is whether you wish to use the educational tools, which we'll look at in a separate video, or not. Now, if you're a corporate user, you probably want to uncheck that box there, because the educational tools, so the things like the calculators, the function machines, the periodic tables, they aren't going to be much use to you. So you might as well disable them when you're running your sessions. So if you just take a check out of that box, click on the update profile, when you play your workbooks, you won't need to see those educational tools. If you found this video useful, please do like, comment, share, and of course you can watch the next video by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching.